Hello, so we are back, and this time, look what we have here. It is a nice laptop. I have no idea. It's a Acer i5, but check here. I mean, I know you probably don't want to see this kind of jobs, but someone has to do it. So this job is coming from a local repair shop, and we have a broken hinge. Oh, oh. What we are doing first? First, we are checking the laptop. I mean, you can have a surprise, yeah. So let me grab a charger. You can have a surprise. The laptop, the customer came with the laptop, yeah? You fix the hinge, the laptop is not starting. And the problem you don't know, you done something wrong or the laptop didn't work before, yeah. Wait, this one is working. Good. So just sit and relax because we have like two laptops with hinge. I mean, hinge are quite an important it's an important income on a computer shop. Hinge, batteries, keyboards, screens, yeah, windows, cleanups. But the nice part with the hinge, you don't need knowledge, the electronic knowledge. You need kind of mechanical knowledge, right? I mean, you don't need electronic to fix a hinge. And you know what? It's not that hard. Okay, so you open the laptop. This is a nice laptop. Check here. You know that tricky charging port? So check there, you see? There it's a pin, it's an extra pin. Remember I made a video about this. So what do we have here? This is gone, yeah? And this is gone. But you know what? One second. Huh. So look, one here is good. So probably this screw got unscrewed, and that's how the hinge got broken. So let's use some hot glue. I mean, I know before said people said, yes, sorry, boy, you are in England, so it's not that hot. Well, we cannot use hot glue in hot countries. But what I think on the bottom hinge, like this one, you are safe to use hot glue. On the top, maybe. I don't know if the customer is holding the laptop in the sun. Yeah, maybe it will not be a good idea. Hot glue, a lot of hot glue. Ah, lol, the hinge is quite stiff. The battery, look at this laptop, the battery is not even, has no screws, nothing. I mean, that's how comes the laptop from the factory. Proper low quality. Okay, so what do you have to do is to lose the hinge, because otherwise it will get broken again. So you have to lose it a little bit. Yeah, perfect, not too much. Perfect. Good. And now you have to heat up the hinge because otherwise, you know, it will not bond with the hot glue. So we're gonna use a small nozzle. Just try to stay away from the plastics. You see, on this case, I don't even have to add more hot glue. I don't have to because I still have this screw, which is good. So that screw with those two with hot glue, and also we loosen the hinge. This job, it will be perfect. Now the important part is to, you know, this time put a screw there. Perfect. Perfect. All done. So check here. Perfect. You see? I told you it's no hard. You see? Perfect. Okay? Good. So we finish one laptop. Easy job. Perfect. Let me grab the other one. Acer laptop, same from a computer shop, but this one looks a little bit worse. So how we can approach this hinge repair? Moving, so most likely it will die even from inside. You see? Oh lol, it is broken from inside. Okay, okay. Let's test first. It's a different charger here. Let me grab a different end. Same, i5. Okay, we have Acer connector. It's working. Yeah, it is working. It's coming on. Yeah, it's working. You can see. Let me power off. Good. Now I will say, yeah, you have this kind of case. Let's open the back cover first, yeah, because it will be more easy to fix the top hinge. Look, has no screw here, you can see. It will be more easy to fix the top hinge if you take the hinge out completely. And the laptop is open. Okay, this is a little bit different compared with the other one. Now let's unplug the battery because we have to unplug the screen, I believe. Wait, let me take out the power, unplug the battery. Have a nice E&E chip here. The screws are still good, but you can see the hinge is moving. Let's take out the hinge. Always check if the other hinge is tightened, you know? Yeah, it is. Good. Let's take out the screen. And we have this bit and we have this bit. Good? Good. You know what? Let me take also this out because it will be more easy. And we have like what? Like 2 screws here. The Wi-Fi cable. And that's all. Yeah, now we can get rid of the laptop. Yeah, and we have only the screen, you see? Easy. Now we have to open this. The front bezel. Yeah, those plastic are funny, you know? You'll hear a crack and yeah. Perfect, no crack here, no crack. So this hinge is good, but look, it's kind of loose. Huh? It's not loose, it's moving with the plastic, so that's fine. But this one, check here, everything is missing from here. And then you have the cables. You have this cable, which has to come somehow. something like that. Then we have to put the hinge, yeah? Good, perfect. Hot glue, like usual. Oh, wait 1 second, once. Lol. Yeah. Yeah, better. Better. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. It's important the hot glue to be hot. You remember I told you? Now the nice part is if you use hot glue, it's very simple. You heat up from the front at 100 degrees with the hot air and you can open again, yeah? So it's not like, okay, if how do I open the hinge after? Maybe I want to replace the screen, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's how you do it. With hot air, 100 degrees, very easy. Perfect. Then you put a small nozzle. Perfect. Now all you have to do, a sandwich, yeah? So the hot glue from the top with the hot glue from the bottom and the hinge on the middle. That's all what you have to do. Where is the front bezel? That's your sandwich. Perfect. We need a clamp. We need a clamp. Yeah, good. Now we can put the screen back. Perfect. Huh? What do you think? Huh? Perfect. Now let's put the screen back. This one is fine. This one probably it is fine already. The hinge and this hinge. Perfect. Now the ribbon cable. The Wi-Fi cable, sorry. The Wi-Fi. The screws. Perfect. Good. Not that hard. Not that hard. Now the screen ribbon cable. Good. Don't forget the battery. Okay, this battery connector is funny. Perfect. The Wi-Fi connectors. You see, that's something what you don't want. Wires. I should plug the wires first, and after that connect the battery. Yeah, you want the battery to be connected, the last one. Perfect. Like new, right? Yeah. Let's put the back cover. Let's be sure we are putting the screws. So we have one screw here. One here. All good. All good. Solid? Huh? What do you think? Perfect. We have a little bit of hot glue here. Perfect. And yeah, those jobs, they are carry like 3 months warranty. So I'm really sure they will be fine. I mean, I seen jobs coming after 2 years with the other hinge, but not the one I fixed. It's not charging. Why is it not charging? The laptop is coming on because it's Acer and I'm using Toshiba. The Acer is the blue one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it is charging. Yeah, 1.9 amps. Okay, all good? Perfect. 60 pound each. Easy money, easy money. Let me shut down this laptop. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. What do we have? 22 minutes, I can't believe. I will say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you on the next one. Bye.